Hello, I'm Gambit and welcome back to Tokyo Cooking. Alright, let's continue. Alright, let's see. Okay, it looks like we're on our own now, huh? Alright, well, we'll try to shorten this video up a little bit since the first one was kind of long. It was my first day on the job there. Okay, let's talk. Welcome. Okay, let's see. Never mind. Salmon. Okay. Fantastic choice. Big salmon fan, alright. No? Oh, okay. No need? Alright, then I'll just serve you the best salmon ever. Okay. What do we need? Oh my gosh. Alright. Where's our little... There we go. Rice, wash, cooker. Okay. Rice. Alright. Nope. Oh, wait. Oh, gosh darn it. I did it again. There we go. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Place it. Oh. Where's my cups? I just had them. Oh. There we go. Okay, let's go fast. Now we can mix. Oh, pour it out. A little over. That's alright. He likes it. Yes! Okay, so we need vinegar and mirin. Okay, so we'll grab... Where's it at? Oh, okay. Well, there's this one. There you go. And where it... Okay. Right there. Sugar and salt. Okay. Okay, we'll grab the salt then. There we go. And gosh darn. Come on. There we go. We got sugar. Oh, bowl. Where? Oh. There we go. Now mix it all up. Pour it in. There you go. Let's stop. There we go. Woo! Next one. Oh, smokes. Stop. Nice. Only one shake. There you go. Mix it up. Oh, yeah. Oh, got it. Ooh, got it. One more, maybe. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Woo, that was close. Oh, another one. Alright. Now, what is next? Cook the rice. Prepare sauce. Cut salmon. Where's the salmon at? Maybe we... No. Which one is it? Just regular. Okay. Bam. Let's cut it up. Cut. Okay, there it is. It's all cut up. Now, where's my rice? Wash it out. Okay, let's go. Shake it up, shake it. And there we go. Wow. Grab the rice. Pop it in the cooker. Get some water. Oh, just the sink. Yeah. Okay, move. Grab it. Toss it in. We'll just leave it in there. Oh wait, no we can't. We cut the rice. Oh, all the others. Oh wait. Mixed rice. Oh, now I gotta mix the rice. Okay, where's it at? Is this it? Okay. bring it over here. And bowl. What is that? Just a little cup. Okay. Whoop. Hey, I'm trying. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I forgot. My fault. Okay, hold on. Now we throw it right here. Now we can mix it up. Whoops. Oh, too soon. Gosh darn, no. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, how do I form it? Oh. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Just do this. There. Form it. Let's go. There we go. Look at that. Some rice again. Okay. Want it three orders, right? Okay. There's that. Grab that. Wait. Oh yeah. There. Pour it in. Oh, a little over, but that's alright. He likes it, of course. Okay, now we need to get... What is this? I don't know what that is. Sugar and some other two. They look like this. Oh, soy sauce? Oh, that's soy sauce. And what's this? A green bottle? Right here, I'm guessing, right? Some oil. Is that it? Oh, yeah, it is. Sugar. Spice. Everything nice. Empty bowl. Grab it. Whoa. We're going as fast as we can here. Let's go. That's a lot of soy sauce. Hey! Oh, just a sliver. But it's a wow. It's a wowzer. Some oil. Come on. Stop. Oh. Yes. And a shake of sugar. Oh, stir it up. Stir. Oh my gosh. No. I lost the rhythm. There we go. Alright. Prepare the rice now. Oh yeah, wash it out. Now I gotta shake it up, right? Yeah. Almost done. There we go. Okay, so grab the rice, put it in there, get some water, fill it up. Okay. There you go. Let me get the salmon. Cut salmon. There we go. Come on. Okay, I just gotta mix the two. Okay, so I can put you on this. Wait, right here? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Pour it. Oh, whoop. Oh, there we go. Come on, yo. Oh, alright. Woo, wow. Okay, now I can grab my salmon, put it here, soy sauce and oil. So, right, oil, okay. Put that there. Soy sauce. Right there. And then, oh, where's your salmon? Oh, everything's there. Oh, okay. Not too much, come on. Right there. Okay, that's good. Right? Wow. Alright. And then dump the oil in. Right There we go. Wow. Now we, oh, okay. Let's mix it all up. Almost there. There we go. Cooked salmon. Oh, I get to fry it? Oh, okay. Where's here? Must, that has to be, right? No? I gotta turn it on first? It says cook it. Oh, heat the pan first. Oh my gosh, I gotta put this back. Okay. Sorry about that. I put that back. Oh, wait. What burner are we on here? Oh, this one. There we go. Oh wait, how do we cook the diced? Right? I hope it is. Yeah, it has to be, right? It has to be, I don't... Okay, now it's ready. Oh, there we go. Press R to flip. Oh, no! Do I wait till I get to the green? And then flip it. Great. There, looks like the sweet spot. Woohoo! Alright, now all we gotta do is form it. Grab this. Put that there. The rice. Salt, and I don't know what that is. We'll be with you in a moment. Okay. What did I say? Oh yeah, salt. Salt and what kind of seasoning is that over here? Oh, it's right here. Sesame. What else stuff was back here? This is sweet corn tuna. Oh. Okay. Okay, now we can mix it all up. Press A to form. Come on. Is this the second, or is there one more? Must be one more order after this, right? Her last one. Okay. Cut salmon. And okay. Let's grab this sashimi. Is that how you say it? Sashimi? Okay. Hey, cut it up. Oh, trigger button. Here we go. Cut. Cut. Alright. We're all diced up. And I gotta get a plate. Right? Empty plate. And one plate. Right here. Small plate. Almost there. Almost there. And we'll send you home full. Okay, we'll give you a big full belly here. Ooh, that looks good. Is that it? That's everything. That's everything, right? Okay, let's talk to the customer now. Right? Not bad, actually not bad. Okay. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you to. Told you so. Love my secret ingredient. Huh? Oh, huh? Can I ask for advice? Sure. If you want to get someone to talk, but you don't know what them to know what you do. Okay, I got all mixed up earlier. I asked if I was a Yakuza. Does she need Yakuza style advice? Then you need to arrange to kidnap and interrogate this person with a voice changer. Remember? Okay. Oh, alright. Okay, see you soon, she said. See ya. Kinda strange. 310. Alright. Now we go back home. Oh, there's another customer, but we'll end the video off here. And then when we come back again, because I'll play this one again. Play it for quite a few episodes, I guess. Yeah, we'll do some cooking around the kitchen. Alright, well, I hope you have a good day, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.